This project emerged out of a need to share something that was really meaningful for me and for my partner. After a really tough experience that really drained our energy mentally, emotionally, we found this methodology that helped us to renew our energy and to become in contact with this keyword, well-being, that is becoming so popular, but it was something there, like something elusive, something that I didn't even know how to grasp what it means or how to attain it. And it gave a path to get there. And that path was awareness. Really being self-aware of what's moving on inside oneself and being able to release it. So since we work in education and we know that so many people that work with young people that support others in their journeys to grow are really going through burnout and stress and many of these challenges, we wanted to share it. We wanted to share it with them, and then we found a way to do it through an Erasmus project.
1 year ago I had also like a strong experience in which I said like, I don't know if I like what I'm doing, I don't feel good, and it's really sad because we are doing what we like and you get burned out with something you like, and I think it's one of the saddest things that can happen. I think it's, especially in people that are building things that can impact in other people, it's very important that they keep their energy and their core, they don't forget their motivation.
And I'm saying, you know, girls and boys, you need to be relaxed, but at the same time, the tension is coming out of me because I'm in a hurry and I'm really stressed. It cannot happen.
The first days that we had, it was filled with different activities, and I mean, I've been on some Erasmus projects before, but it was nothing like that. I felt truly new to everything, and I really enjoyed it.
Well, it was a whole laboratory of experiences. Basically, we went through awareness through the body techniques and methodologies that helped us to reconnect to ourselves.
So pretty much we live in a world where everything moves the attention to the outside, and then you are not connected to yourself.
It was happening a lot on different levels and not the spoken ones. So a lot of body work, but even beyond that.
And when you go in that direction, when you allow yourself to feel, when you allow yourself to deepen your sensitivity, your sensorial aspects, then you can see that there's so much around you that is not only what we can see, understand, or even touch. And that's a very powerful experience that we have been learning here in NADYW.
The methodology that we have based this training on is really on connecting with our body as a way to access our awareness. Most of the time we live in our minds, in our heads, trying to rationalize everything, to find words to describe things, or we go to coaches, to our friends, we talk and talk and talk. And that doesn't mean that we reach the root of the cause necessarily, or that even expressing with words necessarily release us from that challenge. So what we try to do here is to connect with our body, to connect with our senses, with our awareness, and in a very natural manner, almost without naming exactly what's happening. And those tensions, those pressures, those accumulated histories start to be released.
That was really like, whoa, in a sphere of relaxation, really. And that is something that I have not experienced for a long time. So it's clear that this method as such, ATB, really helped me to achieve this goal in quite a fast pace. So
one thing that I truly take with myself is that I am okay and I can manage with life, you know, because sometimes it really gets really, I know, maybe strong or maybe not enough for me to bear, and I feel like I'm not enough, like I cannot do it. But here I really understood that I can just slow down, I can really feel, and I am okay, like I will be okay. And I mean, I am the person who's gonna make it come true, and I'm the person who can actually feel and work and live the life and enjoy it.
It's really training for the soul to me. Like rediscovering myself, remembering what are my actually deep and core values, why I'm into this work of helping other people. And really this strong message about before trying to help other people, you need to try to help yourself.
And this project for me, it's like a milestone. It's like a solid stepping stone on which I can step and move forward to utilize, create and implement more tools and understanding about well-being in a very simplistic way, well-being in the daily life.
Yeah, it was not so easy journey for me. Yes, and really a lot of challenges, and also maybe one of the main one is to hear in myself. So I guess now I understand better myself and my needs and my potential and also my limitations.
I wish that I was able to do this already when I was younger, because I've started doing exercises like the one we do in ATB only when I got 30 years old, and I'm quite convinced that if I had these tools from a young age on, for sure I'd be more happy actually.
I'm so much more empowered that I'm on the right way and I'm going to do what I have to do and bring this knowledge of the body into our schools. Yes.
And sometimes we try to rationalize and study a lot and gather a lot of information to get the next step, and the only way to really get a new insight or to really get a new level of awareness, for example, is by experience. And I think this is very powerful and very useful, because sometimes when we are working with young people, we try to impact them through knowledge. And I think we have to try to help them live their own experiences and guide them with this kind of tools that can help them to navigate it on the best way for them.
I work with people in Kharkiv. It's 40 kilometers from Russia, and we have a lot of attacks, and usually it's every day. So for my work, the main focus is help people to ground, to build their resilience, and to understand and use their resources. So ATB for me, it's a tool which I can use with very fast result.
It's beautiful to see the diversity of how the different participants experience what we are doing, and this is the magic of methodologies that is completely inclusive. Anyone can do it, and everyone will experience it in a different way, depending on where they are in their own journey of personal development, physical abilities, interaction with nature and everyone else.
And I didn't expect it to be so powerful. I thought we would have some meditation, some yoga, something to relax, but it was more. We understood how you can use these methods, activities in real life with yourself, how you can continue on growing. And Rosa said that these activities, when you do it daily, can change your life, and they really can, because in these 2 days my life already changed because of how powerful the activities were. I mean, I understood a lot about myself, about my mind, about the environment I live in, and about what I need to do to make my environment more pleasant and better. Just my gratitude, because I couldn't have found this project anywhere else, and this information is super valuable, and I will make sure that it wasn't done in vain, and I will use this information and skills future in my life. I definitely will, because yeah, I'm just thankful for that.
And we focus on really, at the same time, on really important questions that are linked to what is the future of education and training. What is the profile, what is actually the person that we are going to call a teacher in the next 10 and 15 years, and how should these people look like? And to me, having people that are aware of their body, mind, soul, emotions, and the field that we create together, this is a great start.